Unseen passage are a very good way to improve and learn English. They are also part of a lot of school curriculums. So 10th boards, 12th boards, your English exams typically have a lot of questions on unseen passages. So here in this series, we will learn how to improve our English and improve our unseen passages. So simple tips will be given to you, and as you keep on going through these lessons, these video lessons and doing these passages, you will realize that at the end of a month, your unseen passages would be really good. So our objective, so if you are a student, you get full marks. That's our objective and it is possible. So let us start. So in the initial part of the series, we look at listening to a passage and answering questions based on it. So why do we do listening? We do listening because it helps us improve our understanding of English. When we listen to the language and we comprehend it, we understand it, our understanding improves. So what I will do, I will read out a small passage, and at the end of the passage there will be questions. So let me start with the passage. Vishal is 23 years old. He lives in Delhi. Vishal's father works in a factory. He earns rupees 18,000 per month. Vishal has two younger sisters. Vishal wanted to do well. He wanted to earn money and help his family. He studied hard. He got good marks in school. After school, he joined a college. 1 year ago, he completed his BCom. After college, Vishal tried for a job. He appeared for many interviews. He got selected in an interview. He joined Kumar Traders as a junior accounts executive. His salary was rupees 10,000. Vishal is not satisfied. He wants to earn more. He wants to get a better job. But he has a problem. He does not know what to do. So this was the passage that I read out. So what you should do, so the first thing you should do is listen to this passage 2 or 3 times. So pause the video, go back and listen to this passage at least 2 to 3 times so that you get a basic understanding of this passage. Once you have done that, then move to the questions. So you need to, based on this passage, answer these questions. How old is Vishal? Where does Vishal live? Where does Vishal's father work? How much does Vishal's father earn? So these questions, so how should you answer them? Listen to the passage again and keep on trying to answer them. And what you will see, over a period of time, your understanding of the passage will deepen. The next thing you need to do is, whenever you are ready with these answers, put them in the comments and we will have a look. So in the comments to the video, put your answers. After you have solved these, let's move to the next. So we have these questions. How many members are there in Vishal's family? What did Vishal do after school? What do you know about Vishal's job? How much does Vishal earn? Why did Vishal want to earn money? Why is Vishal not satisfied? What is Vishal's problem? So once you have understood the question and you re-listen to the passage, you will be able to figure out the answer. And once you have figured out the answer, don't forget to put it in the comments. So this is how we will keep on learning. So this is unseen passages. And what you will see over the next 30 days, your passages, your unseen passages and your understanding of English will improve a lot.